Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make one of my childhood favorite, yes, corned beef and rice, otherwise as bully beef. So this is my corned beef, bully beef right here, guys. I'm only gonna use one and I'm gonna add some seasoning. So I'm just gonna use 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And these are all of my herbs. Here I have 1 onion, 1 tomato, a small amount of scotch bonnet pepper because I don't want it to be super spicy, so I just add a small amount. Some scallion, just a small amount of scallion also. Some tomato ketchup, and my rice. I'm using basmati rice, and this is only 2.5 cups. Yes, I'm gonna wash my rice now. It's not washed as yet. So now I'm gonna start off by cooking my rice. So in my pot, guys, I have at least 2 cups of water, and as you can see, it is boiling up. Okay, so now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of my salt first. Give it a stir. Then I'm gonna also add 1 spoon of butter. So now that I add my butter, I'm gonna add my rice, okay? And I just wash my rice. If there is too much water in it, guys, you can always remove some of the water from it, okay? So guys, you want to make sure that your water is just a little bit above your rice, okay? Because you don't want your rice to be too mushy. You want it to be nice and shelly, right? So yes, this is perfect. So I'm just gonna leave it and just allow it to cook. Maybe it will take roughly 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Just depends, okay? But make sure your stove is on a low heat to medium heat, because you don't want your rice to burn. So I'm gonna cover my pot, so stay tuned. So my rice, guys, is all finished. And this is what it look like. I put a scallion. This is optional, but I just put some scallion there, guys, just for, you know, a bit of flavor, okay? So I'm just gonna take my fork and just stir it all in. It is so shelly, guys. Look at that. Perfect. So now I'm gonna cook my corned beef. So guys, to my pot, I add at least 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can always use vegetable oil, okay? So now I'm just gonna add all my onion, my scallion, my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add it all. And you're just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least 30 seconds, okay? No longer than that. So this is what it looks like. Just around 30 seconds, as I said, or even 20 seconds. So now I'm just gonna add all my seasoning directly to my vegetable, okay? Then I'm gonna add my corned beef, okay? And what you can do, you can just take a fork and just press it down, or you can just put it in the pot, you know, like as the way it is. But I just want to show you guys other way as well. So I'm just gonna add it to my pot. You want to press it down. So now I'm gonna add my ketchup, like so. And what I'm gonna do, guys, the same, this that the ketchup was in, I just add at least 1 teaspoon of my water to it, okay? Not a lot, just to rinse it out. Gonna give it a stir. Make sure your stove is on a low heat. I'm gonna add some of my cracked black pepper to it. Around 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna give it a stir. It look amazing, guys. Look at that. I'm telling you, this right here is packed with so much flavor. When this go on top of your rice, tastes so good. You can always add just a pinch of salt, not a lot, because you know corned beef already salty, so you don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 3 minutes, okay? And it is ready. I'm gonna cover my pot. So it is all finished now. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna turn off my stove. Super, super delicious. So good, guys. So I'm also gonna fry some plantain. So I add some vegetable oil to my pot. So now I'm gonna fry my plantain. I'm gonna have some plantain on the side, okay? So now I'm just gonna turn my ripe plantain. They're nice and golden. Guys, they're nice and pretty. So they are perfectly fried. So I'm gonna add them to my bowl in a paper towel, okay? I'm gonna also add some sweet corn to my corned beef, guys. So here I have my pot on my stove, and I just add 1 teaspoon of butter. So now I'm just adding my sweet corn. Gonna add some black pepper. Just 1/4 teaspoon of my black pepper. A pinch of salt. Gonna give it a stir. So everything is all finished, and this is what it look like. It looking super delicious. Guys, please don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more amazing videos like these, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video. You will be the first to see it. And don't forget, guys, to thumbs the video up. Give me a big thumbs up. I hope you guys do try this recipe. If you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like, because I'm telling you, as simple as it look, it tastes so good. Super delicious, honestly. So it is all plated up, and that's what it look like on the plate. I have some avocado on the side with some tomato. Yes, honestly guys, I love this meal so much. This is like one of my favorite meal. Even up till now, I still love it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.